welcome to Make Money Moves Online ZA. My name is Boka. In today's video, we are talking transcription. First things first, what is transcription? Transcription is the process of typing out audio or video material and turning it into a document or what is called a transcript. So a transcriber will be someone who types out what they hear and turns what they hear, video or audio, into a document or a written transcript. So what do you need to get started as a transcriber? You will need skills as well as equipment. Let's start with the skills. The first skills that you will be required to have is fast typing skills. So with the websites that I'll be sharing, which are beginner websites, you'll be required to have about 40 words per minute typed. But as you progress or as you become an experienced transcriber, you may be required to have minimum 70 words per minute typed. I will link down below a typing test website where you can practice your typing skills and, get used to typing a lot faster than you already do. The websites that I will be sharing with you guys won't be testing how quick you type or anything of that nature. They will be testing the accuracy of what you have typed. So with that being said, just keep in mind that the quicker you type, the more transcripts you can produce and the more money you can make. So time is money. The second thing that you will be required to have, skill that you will be required to have, is good grammar and punctuation skills. So basically with written, when typing or writing spoken word, if you misplace a comma or a period, it can alter the meaning of the entire sentence. So you have to have the correct grammar when typing, as well as the correct punctuation, when transcribing. The third thing that you will need as a transcriber, the third skill, is good research skills, basic research skills. So keep in mind that when you work as a transcriber, Google is your friend. So you'll be required to Google company names, the correct spelling of places that you have never heard of. So making use of Google or researching these words or names will be required from you. So you should be able to do that basic research. Let's get into the equipment. The first thing that you will need is a laptop or a computer with a good internet connection. So the reason why you will need a good internet connection is because you will not be allowed to download most of the audio or video material that you'll be transcribing with most of the websites that I'll be sharing with you guys today, because basically because of confidentiality. So you will be streaming whilst you're typing, so you will need to have good internet connection. The next thing that you will need equipment wise is headphones or earphones. So when I started out as a transcriber, I used the earphones that came with my phone. I made use of those very well and they worked very well. So as time went on, and I progressed as a transcriber, obviously you will get more difficult things to transcribe. So you will need to have a good set of headphones. I went out and purchased these. I got these from my local computer store. These weren't expensive at all. These were about 200 rand. I think 200 rand, around 200 rand. And I bought these. These also have a mic, so I used to use these whilst website testing. The main reason for I bought these was because of the volume on these. These go really high. The sound on this is higher than the sound on your computer or laptop. So they go really high, and you're able to hear audio material that isn't audible. So these worked really well. And then, as an experienced transcriber, I then purchased these. Now, these are my holy grail. I love these. These are noise canceling. I also purchased these at my local computer store. They also weren't expensive at all. I love these because they also have a mic and I can make use of them to cancel out the noise. So these are noise canceling. So when there are people around at home, I can still transcribe, I can still do some work,
Sorry for
whether
that,
they're
guys.
there or
I
not.
basically lost the footage for the rest of this video, but we can get into the 5 transcription companies that I will be showing you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Cheers. The first website that we have is rev.com. This is rev.com's landing page. Just scroll down on the landing page till you get to the end of the page. You will reach the About section. Under the About section is the freelancers. Click on that freelancers icon. You will then be led to rev.com freelancers page. On the right side of the page, you can start the signing up process. And then on the left side, it has all the information that you will need to know about how you start earning and how you will be earning. It says here, get paid weekly. It will let you know all of that information. After you have entered all of your information here and you click on the next, you will be led to the test, the rev.com test, where you can apply to become a transcriber. You will need to do the test as part of the application process. Please note that rev.com has a message here that says they have a wait list because they have a high level of interest from new freelancers, but you can still apply. Guys, don't hesitate to apply, because as soon as they do have space or spaces for new freelancers, they will let you know. So don't hesitate to apply. The sooner the better that you can start working with rev.com. Also note that they have a rating system, so you need to work really hard in order for you to stay a freelancer for Rev. I will have reviews on how Rev works in more videos that are coming, so keep a lookout for those. The next website that we will be checking out today is Scribby.com. This is Scribby.com's landing page. Scroll down as well. But just before you reach the end of the page, you will see a bright blue Apply Now button that says Join Scribby as a transcriber. Apply now for the transcription test. You will click this button, the bright blue button. It will then lead you to the Scribby freelancer transcription intro. On this page, there's an introduction on how Scribby works. They will give you all the information on how you get paid and how much you can get paid. Please note that you will need a verified PayPal account. They also tell you how you can verify your PayPal account. Also on Make Money Moves Online ZA, we have an article where you can find out step by step how you can verify your PayPal account. I will link that article down below in the description box. The next website is castingwords.com. It's also a beginner friendly website. Scroll to the bottom of the page. At the bottom of the page, look for freelancers, and click on freelancers. It will then lead you to this workshop page that says number 1, sign up, number 2, work, and 3, get paid. You can register. As soon as you register, they will let you know about the test and how it will work. You will need to do the test in order for you to continue the application process and start working for Casting Words Workshop. They give you multiple tries for the test, so don't hesitate to begin the test. Because the next website that we have, which is the fourth one, is gotranscript.com. This is the landing page. Just scroll to the bottom of the page as well. And Under the For Transcriptionists icon, click on Work. And it will then lead you to Go Transcript transcription jobs. Then on this page, there is more information on how you can get paid, how much you can earn, or how much they pay their transcribers. As you scroll down below, there's more information and frequently asked questions. You can go down there and check. You will know how often they pay, how they pay, and in which countries you need to be in. Please do note that they are open worldwide. You guys can apply today. Then in the middle of that page, there's a bright yellow Apply Now button. Click on that to begin the process of applying. There's languages over here. I will click on the English. If you are able to transcribe in any of these languages, you can use those, but I will click on English to begin the transcription test process. You will then sign up and begin earning, or begin the application process rather, for Go Transcript. So you'll enter your email and all of that information and then begin the whole process and start earning with Go Transcript. The last website that we have today is Transcribe Me. On the top right corner, there's a bright orange Join as a transcriptionist box. Click on that. You will then be led to the transcription jobs page on transcribeme.com. As you scroll down, you will see more information on how you get paid, what are the growth opportunities that they have. Click on the Join Our Team in bright orange in the middle of the page. To begin the application process, you will enter all of your information and create an account. Then they will give you training and exam material. Please make sure to go through that, read that, in order for you to be able to pass the transcription test and begin earning as a transcriber with Transcribe Me and work from home. Those are all the websites that I have for you today. Please note that all these websites that I have shared with you guys are beginner friendly, and they also have growth opportunities, so you can become an editor or a reviewer with all 5 of these websites that I've shared with you guys today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please be on the lookout for the next one that is coming to you guys. Do click on the notification bell so that you will be notified next time there's an upload. And click on the subscription and join the family, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you on the next one.